Are you under any spiritual attack as I speak? Or maybe you're always in constant fear that somebody somewhere, evil person somewhere, is going to attack you, your life, your family, your business, and everything that has to do about you. To protect yourself from any evil attack, from any spiritual attack, you want to do this salt and sand spell. It is a very powerful spell that will protect you against any form of spiritual attacks, and you will be free. Okay? You don't want to sit down and wait till somebody attack you and destroy your life. You should be well prepared, okay, against any form of attack. So my name is Precious, and this is Precious Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much for watching. So today we are using very powerful spiritual ingredients, okay, which are sand and salt. So this is my sand. You can use soil, you can use sand, it's all good. This is my own sand over here. So, and you need some salt. Here I always use sea salt because it's more powerful spiritually. But if you don't have sea salt, you can use any type of salt that you have. So just make sure that you use the sand from an environment or from a place where you always have a lot of people. For example, school, you can use sand from hospitals, you can use sand from marketplaces or from business places, So these places, you always have a lot of people passing through, working on them and all that. So it's much more very powerful. The reason why you want to use salt and sand is because these ingredients are very, very powerful. They are made by God. Okay? Think about it. A lot of people walk on sand. You walk on soil, on the ground, on the soil every single day. Every human being, animals, birds that are created by God always walk on sand. So it means that sand has been blessed by enormous power, enormous spiritual powers that will do wonders in your life if you know how to use it. Same with sand. Salt. Salt is very, very powerful. It has a lot of spiritual benefits in your life. It works for cleansing. It works for attraction. It works to destroy evil attack. Okay? It cleanses you from any negativity, any bad energy that is slowing down, that is destroying your life a little at a time. Okay? So now, once you've got all these two ingredients, sea salt or any type of salt that you have, then sand from busy places, busy market, busy schools, busy hospitals. Once you get those two ingredients ready, now you're ready to do the spiritual work. If you have these things right now, watch this video, and even if you don't have, watch it so that whenever you get the ingredients, you can go right ahead and use it right away. So now you are going to get a little bowl, a little container. Okay, so you're going to add about half teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, put it in a little bowl like this. All right, and get some sand, maybe about half teaspoon of sand too. You add it into the okay, sorry, I'm adding it in the bowl. So half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sand. This is how it looks like after. And you just make sure that you mix it very well. Mix it up very well so that it mix very well. Okay, so now you're going to take this, you're going to keep it on your window for 1 hour or for 2 hours or for 3 hours. If you like, you can decide to leave it outside under the moonlight for overnight, so that the moon energy can shine upon it and make it more very energetic, very spiritual, and very powerful for the spiritual work you're going to do. If you leave it on the window, the same thing is going to happen. Okay, when you leave this, make sure you cover it, okay, on your window. So after the 1 hour or whenever you leave it on, Once that is done, bring it inside. Now, this is no longer ordinary sand and salt. It is now sand and salt that is very spiritual. Okay? So now, you're going to take this and you're going to get your bath water ready. This is going to be like a bath. Okay? So this ingredient that you see here, you're going to keep it in that bowl. You keep it on. Whenever you want to take your bath, that is when you're going to take some pinch of this sand and salt. Remember, this is sand and salt ritual, sand and salt spell. So you're going to get sand and salt, a little pinch of it. You're going to add it to your bath water. Okay? And you're going to start taking your bath. So when you take this bath, you will start making this prayer. You will say, God Almighty. And you know, when you're doing this, make sure you're naked, right? Because you want to take your bath anyways. So you're going to say, God Almighty, I'm standing before you. I have sinned unto you and I've come short of your glory. I've done a lot of things that I'm not supposed to do, but I'm here. I forsake my sins. Please forgive me from all my sins. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for the breath of life. Thank you for making me alive up to today. I'm coming to you. I'm using this sand and salt for this spiritual work. I'm using this sand and salt spell. I'm using this sand and salt ritual to make sure that I destroy every enemy, every evil person that is attacking my life, that is planning to attack my life, that is already attacking my life, or somebody that has already attacked my life in the past. I'm using this salt and sand to destroy their life. You know, I'm using this sand and salt to protect myself so that I can be free from any spiritual attack. Okay, you start mentioning this prayer. Okay, you will start saying that so long as people walk on this sand, as long as people walk on sand, as long as people use salt to cook their meal, their food, that is, and no person on this earth, no evil person will be able to attack my life. No evil person will be able to destroy my life. I will be free. I will be free. I will be free in the mighty name of God. So you say this prayer according to I'm saying it. If you don't understand this at first, make sure you watch this video so that you can write this prayer down. Okay? You say it exactly that I've said in this. And this is going to work for you 100%. Whenever you feel like somebody is attacking your life, that you are under fear, that somebody is going to attack you, make sure you do this spiritual work. You can do this, you know, this bath just once. You can do it 2 times. You can do it 3 times. Or whenever you feel like somebody is going to attack you, somebody is planning to attack you or whatever, that is exactly what you want to do. Okay, go right ahead and do this. And please, I want you to comment on this under this video and let me know what you feel about this spiritual work. Let me know if you have done this before. Maybe you are going to do it, and once you do it, what happened to you? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. You know I love you and I'm sure you love me too. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. You can share it on Facebook and on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. They will definitely help your life. Okay, I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.